Vargas. Vargas umatake. Bumalik na si Bergado. Step back for 3. Bang! Bergado! And here you go. Si Riban. Si Riban on the move! And here you go. Makadangdang for 3. Bang! Makadangdang! Pass to Cortez. Drive. Floater. Cortez. And here's Castillo. Nakalusot. Liz. Castillo for the lead. Uy! 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 Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Apong League 2024 para sa laban ng Bagao at Lalo. Shoutout kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. And jump ball, Bautista versus Hobe. Balisi for the rebound. Here's the assassin floater of the window. First blood. Castillo behind the back dribble. Castillo stops. Pass to the corner. Bergado stops. Pass back na Tapican. Here's the assassin again. Dopaya. Woo! And here's number 25. Corner 3. No good. Rebound. And here you go, makadangdang for 3. Bang! Makadangdang! Balisi. Balisi dribbling the ball. Pass to Vargas. Pass to Cortez. Drive. Floater. Cortez. Balisi. Pass to Dupaya. Pass to Vargas. To Balisi for 3. Bang! Balisi. And here's Castillo. Castillo. Bumangga. Kicks out. Open for 3, Bergado, bam! 3 balls! Balisi. Pass to Vargas. Cross pass, Balisi. Balisi, step back. Hook pass. And here, Balisi wide open for 3. Bam! Balisi. And here's Makadangdang. Sumigsag. Natapikan. Pass to Makadangdang. And attacks. No look pass. Footers out of the glass. Nagawan. And here's Castillo all the way. Kinaliwa. Easy bucket. Tiger. Pass to the corner. Vargas. Vargas. To Balisi. Corner. Dupaya. To Balisi. Open for 3. Off the mark. And here's Castillo. Nakalusot, Liz. Castillo for the lead. Vargas. Vargas. Sumatras. For 3. Bang! Nadera. Nadera to Makadangdang. Nadera. Makadangdang. Stop for 3. Off the mark. And Gumaldag, tumira, too strong. Here's Balisi. For 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Cortez. Cortez pull up J. No good. And the long pass. Here's Makadangdang. No look pass inside. Natapikan mula sa LM fars of the window. Balisi. And pass to Vargas. Vargas crossover. Vargas stops. Cross pass. Balisi wide open for 3. Bang! Tiger! And here's Makadangdang. Pass to the middle. Wide open. Nadera. Off the mark. Rebound Cortez. And here's Columbano. Columbano. Straight to the rim. No good. Put back shot. Bucket for 2. Obe. And Nadera. And for 3, Mercado, no good. And rebound by Cortez. Pass to Vargas. Vargas, crossover. Vargas, sidestep, natapikan. And the long pass. Oops, raise up, too strong. Rebound, Bergado, put back. Bergado for 2. And here's Balisi. Pass. Cortez kicks out. And here's Balisi. Vargas drives. Pass on the inside. Kicks out. Wide open for 3 off the mark. And still the rebound. Balisi. Bounce pass. Cortez. Oh, tinapboard pa. Nadera dribbling the ball. Stops. Pass to Pablo. Pass back Nadero. Pass to Miguel. Pass back Nadera. Miguel. Pass on the inside Pablo. Reverse layup Pablo. Tagging. Balisi setting the play. Pass to Columbano. Pass to Cortez. Columbano drives straight to the hoops. Go Columbano. Riban to Vargas. Pass to Columbano. Riban. Floater. Off the glass. Riban. 20-26 score natin mga idol. And this pass back to the middle. Oops. And kicks out for 3. Off the mark. Pass Columbano drives. Corner. Fire. Bucket. Flores. Oops. Tagaw. And here's Cortez. Corner pass. Vargas. Ang gandang pass. Libre. Easy bucket. To Vargas. Setting the play. Pass to Cortez. Bounce pass. Loristo. No good. Oy, nakagaw sa likod. And here's Vargas. Crossover. Stop pull up Jacoby. Vergado. Castillo. Crossover and a drive. Sumiksag. Lays. Bucket for 2. Castillo. And si Riban to Vargas. Vargas holds the ball. Vargas. Sumigtas on the inside again of the glass. Bucket for 2. Loristo. And pass to the middle. Pass Makadangdang. Vergado. To Makadangdang. To Vergado. Natapikan. For the inbound Vergado. Pass to Makadangdang. Pass on the inside. Picks clutch. Fire off the window. Bucket for 2. Vargas. Screen. Step back for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Oops, natapikan. Pero na-recover. Makadangdang pinabitin. Off the window. Makadangdang. And ball possession for Team Lalo. Score 26-34. Side step. No look pass. Ang gandang pasa. May foul nga. 26-35 score. Lead by Team Lalo. By 9. Makadangdang. To the corner. Fires at long 2. Off the mark. And here's 26-35. Ball possession Lalo. Up by 9. Floater shot. No good. Put back by Loristo. Grabe. Castillo to the corner. And here's Castillo. Pass to the inside. Natapikan na agawan. And here's Loristo. Bounce pass. Pinailalim pa Pex. Pinalik. Pex bumal. Vargas. Oops. Vargas to the traffic. Behind the back pass. Potter. Oh, wala pa rin. And here's Vergado. Stop. Fix. Naagawan. And here you go. Si Riban. Si Riban on the moves. Pass to Makadangdang. Pass to Castillo. Sumigway. Bounce pass. Stop. Spins. Up to the middle. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. Castillo. Naagaw. Castillo versus... Oh, na-anspo! And here you go. Castillo drives on the traffic na agawan. And si Riban to Vargas. Vargas sumigsag. Oop! And the pass break here. Castillo 1 versus 2. Straight to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And here's pass to si Riban. Floater shot off the window. Oops! Wala. And here's There you go. Nakapikan. No look pass. And lazy si Bakit makadangda. And down to 30-30 na. 32-39 score. Oops. And Vargas. Crossover. Vargas pull up J. Too strong. And the rebound. And Vizcara. Pass to the corner. And here's Makadangdang. Pass to Vizcara. Vizcara drive side. Step floater. Too strong. Battle for the rebound. Kinuwas ang sa likod. And here's Balisi. Pass on the inside. Ang gandang paikot nun. Bakit Porto? Pumara with the ball. 14 Bagao. Vizcara. Pass on the inside. Bumalik. Reverse layup. Bakit Porto? Vizcara with Ronquillo. Vizcara cross pass. Corner. And a drive. Grabe yun. Oh. Loristo. Pass to Balisi. Balisi. Pass to Loristo. For 3. Off the mark. Ronquillo the rebound. Ronquillo. Pass to Balisi. 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 Dumatake. Sakto-sakto. Oh! Bakit is good? Balisi. Bounce pass. Uy. Agaw. And 1 versus 2. Vizcara lays. Bakit easy? Bakit? And 38-47. 9-point lead for Team Lalo. Ball possession Bagao. Vizcara holds the ball. Long 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Cortez. Vargas. Dalong pass. Libreng-libre. Upar. And the assassin. 2-point lead. Lalo. And here you go Makadangdang pull up J. Off the mark. Rebound. Put back. In and out. Reverse layup. Wala pa rin. Bumangga. Waiting space. Oops. 3 traveling. And corner pass. Dupaya picks. Dupaya step back. Fires. Bakit? Dupaya. Uy. 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 Oops. And here's Vargas. It takes. Bumangga off the glass. Makadangdang. Dumiskarte mula sa gitna floater. Oop, nakuha ng Team Bagao pa rin. Vergado, reverse layup. Oops, wala. Oop, nadali dun sa loob si Idol. And here's the Risto. Binitbit lays. Loristo. Bakit for 2. Era. And stops. Bounce pass. Pass off the glass. Vargas. Crossover. Spins. Picks. Pass on the inside. Stops. Dupaya to the middle. Here's Loristo. Natapikan. Makadangdang. Pass to the middle. Fires. Bakit for 2. Makadangdang. At the middle. Pass to Nadera. Pass to the middle. Kicks out. Makadangdang for 3. Bang! Makadangdang. Vargas. Lumistansya. Umatake. Diretso. Pull! Supalbal! All the way. Oops! Bakit for 2. The rebound. Vargas looking for the receiver. Pass to the middle. Loristo floater. Bakit for 2. Loristo. To the corner. Pass to Balisi for 3. Bang! Balisi! And here's Nadera. Makadangdang for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. And here's Balisi. Dribbling the ball between the legs. Pass to Dupaya. To the middle. Side step. Kinaliwa. One go. And the rebound by Castillo. And it's the behind the back. Kicks out. Corner pass. Nadera for 3. Off the mark. Na-anspo. Anspo ulit. This is Vargas all the way. Okay, the pulled up J. Wala. Rebound. Kicks out. Wild open fakes. Pull up J. Bakit for 2. Dupaya. And here's Vizcara. Vizcara behind the back. Sumigsag. Vizcara. Straight to the hoops. Traveling. Dupaya. Dumangga. Straight to the hoops. Dupaya. Vizcara with the ball. Dribbling the ball. Vizcara. Castillo. Stop. Fires at 3. Short. One spoiler. Bound. Here's Vargas tumatake. Oh! Grabe yun! Oh, Mars! Wala. Rebound. Grabe yun! Nagsigawan lahat yung tao. Vargas. 8 seconds. Oop. Vargas all the way. Pass inside. Pass. Short. Vargas pull up J. Kobe Vargas again. End of those. Here you go. Number 21. Taguba. Pass to Bergado. Bumalik na si Bergado. Step back for 3. Bang! Bergado. Balisi sumigway. Pull up J. Bakit? Taguba. Oops, natapikan sa likod. Naagawan. Pass break ngayon. Balisi nauna na. Binitbit. Left-handed easy. Bakit? Dupaya. Pass to Balisi. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bang! Balisi! And the chest pass. Pass to the middle. Castillo lays. Oh, bakit is third? Castillo. Balisi. Pass to the middle. One bounce. Oh! That is spectacular move! And here's Castillo sumigsag. Kicks out. Makadangdang floater. Castillo for the finish. Pinato. Fast break ngayon. Nauna na si Assassin. Dupaya. Easy bucket. And here's Loristo. Stops. Pass to. And here's Vargas. Binit-bit. Oh! And here you go. Pass break. Dunk. Boom! Kicks out. Bounce pass. Kumaldag. Hook shot. Bucket and one. On the inside. Kicks out. Onciano. Pinabitin. Oh! Onciano pa. For the inbound. Pablo. Bounce pass. Libre. Easy bucket. And here's Dupaya. Umikot. Kicks out. Fires at 3. Wala. Tips. Rebound. Bounce pass. Mateo. Sack Bibit. Wild open for 3. Off the target. Pablo. Here's 1. Taguba drive. Side step. Puso palpal. Inbound. For 3. Bang! 3. And a ball possession. Bagaw. Supalpal ulit. For the inbound. Bounce pass. Reverse layup. Put back by Pablo. No good. Floater. Bucket for 2. Easy bucket, Taguba. Congratulations, Lalo.